Question number 22, 10th Science CBSE sample paper released by the CBSE students. State the events occurring during the process of photosynthesis. Is it essential that these steps take place one after the other immediately? Every question which is given in the exam, you should have a complete picture of the topic, the chapter from which it is coming. You know what is photosynthesis. Students, you have read about autotrophic nutrition. You have already read about autotrophic student nutrition. I think that picture is clear to you, that autotrophs, green plants which have chlorophyll, and certain organisms, certain bacteria student, they prepare their food from carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. And this is what you already know about it, photosynthesis. And what are the events that take place during the photosynthesis? You are aware of, student, here I am saying you are aware of what is photosynthesis. First of all, student, photosynthesis, the green plants, autotrophs, or certain organisms, you already know what they do, students. They take carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere, and students, water, you are, there is a water, and what is the result of this? You know, chlorophyll, green color pigment which is present, sunlight, student, and what it produces, C6H12O6, students. And also what you are producing, oxygen, student, and water, oxygen, water, student. What you are producing in this process, you already know, you are producing water as well as this is our water, student. So to balance it, let me make it 12 because there are 6 water molecules here. So this process is known to you, student. This is a photo synthesis which takes place in the green color plants. What answer we have to write in what, how many steps, student, how many steps are there in the photosynthesis? This is our answer now is coming, student. First of all, student, what happens? There is an absorption of light energy. Absorption of light energy. As you can see, absorption of light energy takes place by the chlorophyll. The green color, which is there, student, green pigment absorbs, student, light energy. That is the first step. The second step that takes place is conversion of light energy, student. Conversion of light energy, sun energy, which is coming, student. I have written already sunlight, to chemical energy. To chemical energy, students. What it does, splitting of, the splitting of water takes place, student. Splitting of water molecule, student. Water molecule has H2O. What will happen? Splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. That is the splitting which is taking place. And the third step, student, third step is the reduction of carbon dioxide. You can see this is carbon dioxide and this is your carbohydrate. Reduction of carbon dioxide, students. Reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Which is a carbohydrate? Glucose is a carbohydrate. So students, this is the, these are the, during the process, state the events. These are the events, student. These are the events. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Is it essential that these steps take place one after the other? The answer is no. It is not essential. It is not essential that these steps, it is not essential that these steps take place one after other, for the reason you already know, sir. Example, I am giving example now. Example, student, in desert plants, in desert, What happens in desert? The plants take up carbon dioxide, take up students carbon dioxide at night and prepare. Let me make it very clear because you are writing in the paper, student. At night, ठीक है, at night, ठीक है, prepare an intermediate, student, prepare an intermediate. Lot of reactions take place through the formation of intermediate that we already know in science and in chemistry. ठीक है, and prepare an intermediate which is acted upon, which is acted upon, ठीक है, by energy absorbed, by energy absorbed, by the energy, student, absorbed, ठीक है, by chlorophyll, by chlorophyll, ठीक है, during the day, during the day. You can see the reaction itself will explain. If you know the reaction, every answer will come, student. As you can see, chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and then the conversion of chemical energy. This is a chemical reaction which will produce energy, students. Chemical reaction is converted into, and the splitting of water takes place. The result is you are getting oxygen, and this carbon dioxide is reduced to the carbohydrate, which is a glucose here. And there are plants, student, in the deserts. They will take, you see, carbon dioxide during the night and prepare an intermediate, and this will be acted upon by the energy absorbed by the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorb the sun energy.